What's up, gang, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm late night beauty vending, but I'm gonna take you guys with me because y'all, I gotta get some food, then I'm gonna stock, then you know what I'm saying, and the mall's getting ready to close in about the next 30 minutes. So I have a good 30 minutes, guys. You know, I do everything last minute, but y'all, this time it honestly was not my fault. Because my daughter wasn't feeling well, so I wasn't able to come up here early in the morning like I had planned. But nevertheless, I'm here now. And I am restocking, guys. So yes, don't trip, because I'm here now. Period. So I'm gonna turn the camera and I'm gonna just take y'all with me to go get my food. Y'all, I'm kind of out of breath because, and that's heavy on the because y'all, I want to make it downstairs in enough time to get my food. You know, y'all, I be trying so hard not to cuss people out, you know what I'm saying, because people act like they don't have no manners, y'all. People will just bump into you, and then if you know what I'm saying, hop on that, then you wrong. You know what I mean? Then people want to play victim, like, I didn't even see you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bump you. But it takes for you to say something and cut some motherfucker out. You know what I'm saying? People don't just be having that energy initially. They don't have that energy until you hop on that. You know what I mean? But it's cool or whatever. It's cool because I'm not on that type of time, y'all. I'm literally about to put my bag in my machine, go get my food, and I'm gonna vlog a little bit, and then I'll tell y'all, so y'all, like, it's really looking real sad, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to put my camera. Y'all, they blow me every time with this, like, it be that simple. But yes, y'all, this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna restock, get my machine all cricket high. So yes, I'm gonna put this in, and yes, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let me get my stuff situated and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so I'm walking through. Apparently it was a vendor event this weekend. So let's see, this is like where they have the vendors at, guys. So let's see what they was hitting on. Okay, sis, what you got? Okay, she got some whipped body butter. Got some clothes going on. Okay. I don't know what this is, but this is nice. We do paintings. This is really nice. Okay. Y'all, they got some bracelets and stuff. This is giving me spiritual vibes. That's what this, period. My type of shit, y'all. Y'all know we be into energies. That is, yes. Okay. This is nice. Ooh. Y'all know I live for a new good crystal in my life. This your bracelet, you made this? That is nice. That is cute. Y'all gonna be here all weekend? Yeah. Okay, yes, because I want to shop, but I gotta make it downstairs to get my food. But are you here to shop? No, I'm here to restock. I own the beauty vending machine down there, and so I usually vlog when I come in. Nice. So yes, and I see vending thing. Like 2 years. Yes, that is I am she. Yes, so I'll be putting you guys on my vlog. But I do offer one-on-ones and everything. If you want to get started, we can definitely get you started. Get your whole little period. This is your, yes. Okay. Well, y'all will be here all weekend. I shall return. Seriously. Thank you. We want to do, y'all, I be want to do as minimal editing as possible, and like, they just be having so much to say. Hey, girl. Okay, sis, what you got going on? This is cute, y'all. Y'all know I do the absolute. I gotta make it to get my food, y'all. Okay, 7:41. Y'all, this is so cute. Yeah. Y'all, it's giving, but y'all can't see. Ain't no mirrors around here for me to show y'all that it's giving what it's giving. Cause this is cute, okay? That's cute. Y'all, this is cute too. Hold on now, hold on. This is giving, sis. This is giving, okay? Let me see. Now I see you on Facebook and be saying little stuff, but I ain't know you was this deep into the game, sis. Okay. Period. But ain't nothing wrong with that. I know you have the. Okay, y'all. Let me get a little backstory about Miss Jaquana here. Okay. She has a salon. She has a salon, and you guys, I know that because she's right next to Lala's Impeccable Touch. The last time I was there, I don't know, y'all, the salon is nice. We'll probably have to do like a little tour there or something so you guys can have a better feel of what I'm saying. But now she has a clothing line, y'all, and this is just black girl magic at its finest. Like, this is so cute. Look at the colors, y'all. It's giving. This say entrepreneur?
Oh my God.
This is cute. This is cute. See, I gotta make it downstairs to eat before they close. You know what I'm saying? It take 15 to get down there. Like, come on now, like, sheesh, okay? I shall return. I definitely shall return. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I need some more waist beads. Oh, I got waist beads today.
I got body butter though.
Period. Look at this. I got body butter though. Period. Period. Y'all look at the options. Okay, ponytail.
Don't forget the candles and the lip gloss.
Wicked candles.
Okay.
Wicked candles. We got it all.
This is nice. What's the name of your business? Can I have a business card?
It's Aaliyah's Aesthetic Art.
Okay. My name is Brittany. I own the beauty vending machine down there. If you ever need any lashes or anything,
Oh yeah, I get
I'm your girl. Period. I appreciate it, love. I appreciate it. I am gonna come back in. I want to shop with you guys. I know y'all be here tomorrow. Like I said, I'm trying to eat, so I'm sorry. Back girl shit. But I'll be back. I got your card. It's nice. This is honey. Period. Okay. They got a nice little variety of stuff. Okay, y'all, so we need to get downstairs before the downstairs close because your girl needs to eat. I need to eat. So I'm booking it, y'all. It's 7:45. I got 15 minutes, but do I really? You know what I'm saying? Do I really? I really don't. Y'all, I love when I see, it's kind of loud, so I know y'all probably won't be able to hear me, so I'm gonna speak up a little bit, but I love when I see entrepreneurs, especially African-American entrepreneurs, chasing their dreams and just doing, you know what I'm saying, doing what they're supposed to be doing and just, you know, like stepping out on faith and being great, because that's not easy. You know, it's definitely not easy. Yes, you get in my vlog, sis. Yes, period. Get in the vlog. Period. Get in the vlog. Yo, I do, yeah. Follow me. Follow me. What? Follow me, yes.
I will. I'm your new biggest fan. YouTube.
Period. Yes. I don't know if you wear lashes.
Oh.
But I own the beauty vending machine over there.
All right. What's your?
It's Be Minked Beauty. BEMINKED Beauty TV.
All right. I'm subscribed.
Find me.
Is that you?
No, I don't know who that is. Hold on. You spelled it. Yep, that's it. That's me.
I'm subscribed.
Thank you. Shit. Yo, I'm dropping my business cards. And y'all, that's one thing I hate. I hate when you know, like, at least if you're gonna drop the business card, drop it once you leave the mall. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't drop it in the same location that I gave it to you. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's disrespectful. Y'all, I just made it. Do you hear me? I just made it to order. It's 7:52. So you guys, I ordered the small chicken and original fries, but I upped my fries, y'all, for the cheese and bacon ones. And then I got a strawberry lemonade, y'all. It's gonna be so good. Y'all, I have been going to the gym, so I really feel like I worked hard for this meal this week. I worked really freaking hard, okay? So I'm going to enjoy it, and it's gonna be great, okay? So we're just waiting for our food now. You can watch them cook it, because I know that's mine. And y'all, look how delicious it is, okay? Y'all see how you just whipping it up on a grill like that? It's gonna be so bomb, like, oh, they can't even see you, they just see the food. But y'all, he always at work. I think I just told y'all I eat here too much. But see, y'all, I really haven't. I've been cool, y'all. I've been dieting. Well, let's not say dieting, just eating, you know, just trying to eat better. You know what I'm saying? So yes, y'all, I'll be back once my food is done. Okay, y'all, this is my food. Don't it look delicious? That's because it is, guys. That's because it is. I already know it's good before I even have it, okay? So I'm going to eat my food, and then when I come back, you guys, I will be stocking the vending machine. Y'all can see the mall is closing. Y'all can see the mall is closing. It's getting real empty. Everyone is cleaning up. A lot of tables have the chairs on them. So you guys, this is really when I like to restock. So since I wasn't able to come in the morning, it was just like, y'all, look at this clown, y'all. Never gonna get downstairs. This is an example of never gonna get downstairs. Y'all can't even see it. I wish I could like zoom in, y'all. How do I zoom? But y'all, okay, I couldn't zoom in, it's too late. But he was going down the wrong escalator, so he was never gonna make it downstairs. But and yes, y'all, this is it. They're cleaning up. So yes, y'all, the girl that we just ran into commented on my YouTube, hashtag biggest fan, y'all. That's the type of shit, that's the type of energy that I need around me. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, that really just made my day. I'm about to go ahead and eat my food, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally at the machine. Y'all, I had to help a lady find her car. Y'all, she was from Kokomo, Indiana. She said that they mall was like so little, and sis got lost. Can y'all believe that? My Fort Wayne people know what I mean when I say sis, how did you get lost? Okay, but nevertheless, she was able to find her way. Because I do what I can, I do what I can for my people. Okay, y'all, let's get into this restock. Not like that. I got stuff to do, y'all. Now I really ain't trying to be here all day. I already brought my stuff in. Oh yeah. So So we have a couple new things dropping. You can get your lash and a lip gloss, and this time it's real minks because a lot of people were like, oh, you only did faux mink. So now we have the faux mink and a lip gloss for 10, and then you can get a real mink and a lip gloss for 15. So that way you're not feeling like, you know, it's options for both. Okay. So yes. So I'm gonna put them in. But okay. You ain't got to see me too, but okay, I'm gonna take my jacket off because I'm trying to get this done. You know, y'all wasn't even able to bring everything, like. Okay, y'all, so we making it far. So y'all, as I was restocking my phone, my notifications, like on my Snapchat, y'all, the notifications on my Snapchat started like going up, and I'm like, what the fuck? So y'all, I posted this snap. Let me cut this video off. So y'all, I posted this snap, and I'm gonna play the snap, y'all. The snap does have a lot of cursing. I'm working on that, you know what I'm saying? But honestly, I feel like they're just words, so like, well, that's not true. There are people that care and this, that, and the fifth. But y'all have to understand. Y'all have to understand that. Do they care? Or are your problems just, you know, more worse than theirs? So it's easier for them to, you know, it's easier for them to want to hear your story because it makes them feel better about what they're going through. You know what I'm saying? Do people care, or is that just why they're listening to you? You know what I'm saying? So when I made that snap this morning, like I said, I'll be motivating myself because it's so much to do. You've only got so much time, and tomorrow is not promised. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all, for me, it was just one of those things like, who cares? Like, who cares what people have to say? Who cares? Do what makes you happy. Because at the end of the day, this is your life, and you are writing this book. Don't nobody care if your dreams get fulfilled. Nobody cares but you, okay? And maybe your mama and your daddy if they here. And some people, mamas and daddies, don't even give 2 of them, okay? So, I mean, you only have you. When it's all said and done, it's you and God. You know, so it's like, I want it. Why can't I have it? Why can't I get it? What's the hold up? Why am I holding me up? Why am I scared to be who I want to be? You know what I'm saying, y'all? So, it just really makes you want to, you know, push forward and go after the things that you want, because tomorrow is not promised. And respectfully, don't nobody give a fuck. Okay? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. So you either want it or you don't. And that's just the real being real. You sit there and you be miserable if you want to, but who about to come and pick you up out your misery? Out your misery. Who's about to come and pick you up out of your misery? Who? And I feel like a lot of 90s babies, are being affected heavy by mental health and not knowing how to cope with things. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like that's why, you know, the suicide rates are so high and just depression rates are high, and you know, it's not talked about. And when you do talk about it, people try to look at you like you're crazy, when it's like, come on now, you cannot tell me, with so much stuff going on in the world, like what? already. We can focus. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And you guys, whoever gets here first gets a free lash on me. Love you guys. Bye.